Are you okay? We've got lots of fin feathers coming in. Do you want to take a shower? Are you okay, Bruce? Misha, are you okay? Yeah, you don't like me touching you on your tummy. I'm gonna try and... This is a new sound. And he's not making any of his old sounds. It's like... Alexa, pause. Alexa, stop timer. Alexa, stop timer. We're tired. There's this poop that you just made. This is a little bit watery, more watery than it was earlier, but you can see there's green because he had pellets. You just went to sleep and you chewed up a whole toy earlier. Thinking that it may have been the air pump on the fish tank that was disturbing him because it was starting to break and it was making a zzz noise. He was very sensitive. He was ready to nap. He has not made a sound up here. And those are his poops, which are green. So I don't know, he has a checkup on Thursday afternoon just in case, but if he gets any worse or acts any weirder, I'm not gonna hesitate to get an emergency appointment. But I'm thinking he was just disturbed by the sound that the air pump was making as it was breaking. Get your toy! Get your toy, you just threw that! You just threw your tube! Get your toy! Get your toy! That's your toy! You want to go back upstairs and see Chris. Where are you going? Just step up. You want to go wee-wee? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want stuff with your little foot? Here. Let's go into Boo's. Please, you chewed up a toy. What do you want? I have to put this here. What do you want? Okay, you are not acting as distressed. You are not acting as distressed. I am here. I am here. Do you want a nut? For 40 nights. Boo! Boozing! La la la! Hello! Remember to always think twice. Boo! What you do? Boo! It's boo!
Okay.
See, he's hoarse.
Yes, he's hoarse. Yeah, he's very hoarse.
Try making him, yeah, he would have done the wee wee. Try.
All right. Here, step up to this hand. Ready? Yeah, he can't scream.
Yeah. He always screams.
Yep.
What do you want? I'm going to stop this.
Okay.
Are you okay? I know you don't like that bucket. Misha's concerned about you. You need to stay calm. You're gonna see the doctor tomorrow. Okay? You see the doctor tomorrow. You be good and quiet and calm. You chill out. Don't argue with your bucket. You are not well. I know you want lots of stuff. You want me to pet you. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. You can be kind of smart. Tomorrow you're going to go see Dr. Kirsten. Yep, and that cage is ready for you to go. First thing tomorrow morning, you're going to go see Dr. Kirsten. He usually is scared of the travel cage and has no interest in it. Oh wait, no, he's just horny as hell, and he's looking at this potential nest box, and he's pulling out the fresh paper towels I just put in there because he wants to have sex. No, 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 get out of there, step up. Step up, step up. This is not a nest box. You are sick and you need to be kept calm. There's something wrong with you and we are keeping you calm. Yeah. Gosh, you are not normal. You are not a good patient. We're keeping you calm because you lost your voice. So, hanging from my phone now. You're. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go of my phone. You're so annoying. You need to calm down. See, I think he's breathing slightly heavy. He doesn't usually do that mouth open. See? That is not normal. We need to keep him calm, and I think he's agitated because he's in pain or there's something wrong with him. We're gonna keep you calm. Drinking normally. Lots of peas.
We'll leave him alone.
Okay. He was still hoarse. I'm not able to make his squeakies. No, do you want to see him now? Poor little boo. No, tomorrow you're going to see Dr. Kirsten. You're hungry for peas. Hello, Misha. I'm so glad that I got him in because he hello. Oh, you're hungry for peas. I think I starve you with peas. Oh, you like that better than baby food. This morning we had baby food. This is for Misha. You need to eat as much as possible. Very hungry. You just about done? Misha wants some. Okay, you're all done. Uh-oh. Misha? Misha? Did you decide to join us after all? Oh God, you're gonna wake Boo. Oh, you got a truck. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You got me this truck. I threw that right over there. Do you have retired arms? We're being quiet. Be quiet again. Boo is hoarse. Boo is hoarse. We're being very quiet. Because Boo is hoarse. Boo is sick. So we're being quiet. And we're whispering, okay? Can you help me whisper? Do you want to come up here and whisper with me? You can come up here and climb up onto the table. We can whisper together. Because Boo is sick. Boo doesn't want to play truck. Misha's a good bird though. Want to sit in Chris's seat? Want to sit where Chris sits? I love you. Want to step up? Yeah. Misha, good bird. Misha, good bird. Step up. Or you want to sit there? See, Boo is sick. Boo lost his voice, and Boo's going to the doctor tomorrow. You can sit there if you can get there. Hello, good bird. Hello. You want to sit on my lap? You can sit on my lap. Would you rather step up this way? Boo is sick. Boo can't play with you. Boo can't laugh at you. Boo lost his voice. See, Boo is very tired. He's napping in the sunshine, which is what Boo likes to do. Yeah. Boo likes to nap in the sun. Boo's always liked to do that. Misha, good bird. You can stop. You can step over. I didn't run away. Losing his voice can't stop him from eating fried chicken. Wow, you just went right for that. It usually comes in twos, doesn't it? I'll give you the other part. This is the other part, but I've not even started it. If you give me a few minutes, I'll eat. Oh my god. He prefers the marrow out of the other part of the bone. And Misha prefers paper out of this whole meal. Misha is not fond of wings. Boo. Chomp chomp. Okay, I gotta eat my food. Can I finish eating? Your brother has taken a sudden interest in gardening. Don't eat my shoes. No. No. Nope. Whatever's wrong with his voice is annoying. You know, I am taking videos. We're gonna see the doctor. Dr. Kirsten.
In 1,000 feet, use any lane to turn slightly left.
For subscribing.
340 West, Olive Boulevard.
You know the way to Dr.
Use any
Kirsten.
lane to turn slightly left onto Missouri 340 West, Olive Boulevard.
We are almost there. You know the way. Yeah, you could be telling Chris how to drive. You're like, take this turn, and we would end up at McDonald's. Hi. You'd be like, take this turn, and this turn, and this turn. And we would be at McDonald's or a bar. No. You have to. Yeah. I know. We're gonna see the doctor. You lost your voice and you could not find it. Where did your voice go? You have a little voice. Yeah. I know. We're having a little boo talk. Before we go see the doctor, we have a boo talk. Boo talk. Yep, I know. We're seeing Dr. Kirsty. We're getting off the highway. You know this way. say, yep, we know he's a
Continue
bird.
on Missouri 340 west for half a mile.
Sorry, big ass.
Okay.
Sorry, boo. Little bump.
That was a big bump. Big bump. Yeah, hi. Yep. You know where we are at. Dr. Kirsten's.
I've been here. Yes, I have.
Okay. Tell the camera bye-bye. You're so cute. Kirsten, doctor. You have to write in your page because we told you last night you were going to see Dr. Kirsten. We got your travel page out. This morning, we're like, yay, I get to see Dr. Kirsten.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Four Seasons
Okay.